Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Today I'm gonna show a little project I did by using all the Dollar Tree supplies. I saw some YouTubers getting this binder. It's a yellow and they have different colors. In Dollar Tree, I actually went to a local Dollar Tree. They don't have it, and so one time I went to a city next to me, like 10 minutes drive. I found the binder. This is the only the Dollar Tree I saw this binder this size so far. Anyhow, so I found these. I got this napkin from Michael's. It was on sale, and I use Mod Podge. It. I thought it was cool. It's very colorful, but I think it's okay. It was a set of napkins. That was kind of cool. Mermaid and stuff, very girly. And then last night I found these two things from Dollar Tree, ribbons, and they have like different colors. I'm not sure what they use for, but it's kind of lace. So I use that to put here. It's actually pretty. And then I found these red dots is stickers from Dollar Tree, and I saw this washi tape is pretty on Dollar Tree too. And then I got this. This is only one left, and I went to different Dollar Tree. I never see them because I want to make a travel notebook. This is the 4x6 perfect size, and then some stickers, of course. And I've got more stuff from Dollar Tree. I found this cute Love Coffee, which I do. Binder. Then I actually use whole binder. I made a one file divider and two pocket by using this by using this one file folder, which is it's perfect, so I don't waste any of it. Then I got actually a bunch of stickers. That was super cute. So this is really it's very soft. This is really cute. I used one of them, and I saw the 3D stickers again. This one you have to color yourself. And I got this food. I was thinking to recipe book, and this is would be perfect. And then I got this whole bag of stuff. And there's a fall item. I got the ribbons, my farm. And then let's see what else I got. And this is the red dots I find. I thought I can put on a flower, other stuff. That was cute. And this is the thing I was talking about. They actually have different colors. I don't see this in my local Dollar Tree. I actually went someplace else, and I was like, oh, let's check out the Dollar Tree over there. So I saw these. So I felt like not every Dollar Tree sells the same stuff. Some bigger, some Dollar Tree smaller. But anyhow, so I'm doing just quick photo album. So I made this, but I didn't know what I want to do with it. I have many ideas. But at least right now, this is what I got. I keep changing my ideas. So I Mod Podge inside too. And then this is one of the paper pad I got from I think Tuesday morning or Michael's. It was like $4.99. Then I use iPhone apps. Did some collage. Use of iPhone apps, and then I print 4x6 because it's cheaper that way. It's like 30 cents per photo for 4x6. If I do collage, use their apps, it's a little bit bigger, but then it's like $3 or $4. So anyhow, so I use the I'm just gonna I use a file folder, made a pocket. So then there's all the washi tapes, and this is the photo card I got from Dollar Tree too. So I just put some family photos there, yeah, something like that. And that's a sticker from Dollar Tree. And then the Dollar Tree, I use this for the binder because this is for 2020. This is not from 2020, it's actually 2016 when I moved to California. And this is the 2020 this year. And I put on the cat sticker. I was like, I don't like 2020, sucked. Yeah, so this is actually, for this size, this 2 size is perfect for one file folder. I didn't waste any of it. And then some my gardening, my flowers, and this is from Sim paper pad. And I didn't know what to do with the size of this, so I just made a kind of page. And it's my flower, my garden in the summers. Actually, some of them died already, but I took a picture. At least I had some flowers, and washi tape, and some of other stuff, birthdays, my dog. This I actually use brown bags. I actually saw some YouTube. I use a brown bags to make a photo album, but then I didn't know what I want to do with it, so I just punch a hole and put it here. I saw the couple YouTubers, they made a photo album. I just want something I can keep adding my photos, so I don't have 4 or 5 photo albums. This way I thinking I can use I make a type for 2020, and then next year, or one for Christmas, then next year put type 2021, something like that, so I can keep adding on it. But I might not use brown bags because it's kind of thick. I might just use paper pads like that. Then the same photo card from Dollar Tree, they actually had like double side with lines. You can write notes. So I write something and then just putting it here. I guess it's functional. I think it's a little bit too colorful maybe, because I had a more patch inside too. But that's cute. It's more personal, and it's always nice to have colors. Alright, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and leave your comments, suggestions. Have a good weekend. Ciao.